Here's an Android phone, and let's see how to search for text inside Samsung Notes application. Let's open Samsung Notes. I have a few notes here, and let's open the first one. Just tap on it. And after you tapped on one of the notes, right away there is the magnifying glass. So you can search for a text using that one. But there's a problem with that. If you tap inside here, the cursor appears, keyboard also appears down there. Then that search icon, that magnifying glass, disappears. So tap inside there, and voila, no more search. If I go back again, then the search appears once again. So if you are editing your text, you cannot search for anything. Here are these three dots down here, not up there. You also have a search, but this search is not searching in your text, but it's searching for emojis. So if I tap on search for emojis, stickers. So make sure you tap back, and then the magnifying glass appears and you can search. Let's say 4, 5, 6, and what I searched there, it is marked there. You can also use the up and down arrows to search for the next one, but I don't have 4, 5, 6 two times, so it is marked with red. Tap the back button again, and search returns.